Children, yesterday we saw the lesson light, sound, and force, isn't it? So we wrote the fill in the blanks. Now we move on to the jumbled letters. The first one is light, Light, light. Then the second one is sound, 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 sound. Then the third one is Friction, friction, friction. Okay. Then the fourth one is shadow, Shadow, shadow. Light, Light. Sound, Sound. Friction, friction. Then shadow, shadow. So answer the following questions. Okay, give two examples of luminous and non-luminous objects. So luminous means giving a light, isn't it? So non-luminous means that the object that does not give the light is known as non-luminous objects. So luminous, luminous, non, luminous, luminous. So luminous, for example, luminous examples are bulb, lamp, torchlight, sunlight, isn't it? Moon, everything are known as luminous. Non-luminous, it might be a table, desk, plant, okay, and pencils, pen, all those known as non-luminous. Pencils, pencils, plants, plants. So luminous, I wrote here bulbs, bulbs, lamps, lamps. Non-luminous, pencils, pencils, plants, plants. So give one example of soft, loud, pleasant and unpleasant sound. So you have to write some examples. Okay. Soft sound, whispering. Whispering na mudu mudutal. Okay. Soft sound, soft, soft, sound, sound. Soft sound, whispering, whispering, whispering. Loud sound, beating a drum. So if you beat a drum, the sound will be very loud, isn't it? So beating a drum. Pleasant sound, a bird creeping. Okay, bird sound is pleasant sound. It will be very pleasant to us, isn't it? Unpleasant sound, loud speaker. If you see the some functions, they might play the music in the loud speaker by using the loudspeaker, isn't it? So unpleasant sound is a loudspeaker. So define luminous and non-luminous objects. So what is meant by luminous objects means object that give out light. Okay, that give out light are known as luminous objects. Objects that give out light are known as luminous objects. Non-luminous objects, objects which do not give light of their own are known as non-luminous objects. Objects which do not give light of their own are known as non-luminous objects. So, how is shadow formed? When objects block light, the light, they form shadows. When objects block light, so when the object block the light, block means maraital, okay, block the light means they form a shadow. Okay, then how can we avoid noise pollution? How can we avoid noise pollution? POLLUTION. So speak softly. So we have to speak politely. Politely means பொறுமையாக. Okay, மெதுவாக. Then play music and TV at volume, low volume. So play the music, TV at the low volume. VOLUME, volume. What is meant by force? Force is nothing but push or pull. Okay, push or pull is known as push or So what is a force? Force is a push or pull on objects. Okay, force is push or pull on objects. Okay. So shall we read it again? Light, sound, friction, shadow. Okay. So luminous objects, bulb, lamp, pencil and plants. Okay. So the sound of give an examples of sound. Soft sound, whispering. Loud sound, beating a drum. Pleasant sound, bird creeping. Then unpleasant sound, beat loud speaker. Okay. So what is meant by luminous and non-luminous? Objects that give light is known as luminous. Objects that do not give a light is known as non-luminous. So what is meant by shadow? Shadow means nil. So okay. When object block the light, it forms a shadow. Okay, when objects block the light is known as shadow. Okay, so children, then what is a force? Force is nothing but pull or push. Okay, push or pull is known as force. Okay, so children, I hope you understand this. Try to write in your classwork note without mistake. Thank you, children.